Do you want to make better decisions in your business? Then you gotta know the numbers. And so I am so excited that I just got the 13th annual edition of the Home Care Benchmarking Study. And there's so many incredible stats in here. And over the next 3 weeks, I'm gonna be diving into 3 specific graphs that we're gonna go over that are gonna help you to make better decisions in your business so that you can drive better results by understanding the numbers. So this week, we're gonna be talking marketing, next week, recruitment, the following week, we're talking retention. All things that are critical to growing and scaling your home care business. So on today's episode of Home Care Digital, we're talking about marketing, so let's dive in. So as you can see on the screen here, we have the top 2021 marketing referral sources. And this is percentage from page 28. So if you have it, you can pull it up on the benchmarking study. But what I really want to go over is each part of these sections and understanding, because if you understand where these are coming from, then you can make better decisions. The area that we're going to focus on is these top 3 here. So clients, past, current, family ones, internet, Google AdWords, pay-per-click, and caregiver employees. Right? This is an important part of understanding our marketing and where results are coming from. So if this is where the industry is coming from and this is what's driving results, we need to better understand how we can really focus in on this so that we can drive better results. So the first one, past and current clients, right? So if we know that we're getting referrals from past clients and friends, then how can we do a better job to get more referrals from these existing people? So the first thing is make it easy, right? How can we make it easy for them to refer us? Maybe giving them business cards or something along those lines that's going to help make it easy for them to refer you. Another example may be social media, right? Are your clients following you? Are they following you so that they can share your stuff, so that they can get engaged with your content on social media? Encourage them to follow you on your social media sites. When they're following you on social, that allows you to stay top of mind if you're consistently posting on social media, providing value and actually creating content that people want to see. But if they're following, now you can stay in front of them, so then you stay top of mind so that when they potentially are in a situation, an opportunity to refer you, they remember, oh yes, you provide amazing home care services, right? But if we don't stay top of mind, then these things become more difficult. So you can see the power of social media in leveraging what you're doing online so that your current existing clients and past clients continue to refer you ongoing. Last thing, let's get more testimonials from our existing and past clients. It can be as simple as Google reviews, or you can get more complex and get video testimonials, which obviously I love. More video testimonials, the more impactful it can be. And this is really important. I mean, if you look at my website, I have a ton of testimonial videos on my page. And there's over 20 right now that are on the page, and I'm adding more on a regular, consistent basis. And so that's the idea of strength in numbers. If you have all these happy clients, let's make sure that we're getting those testimonials in front of prospects and new clients so that they know, hey, this is a reputable company. They've got all these amazing reviews of all these happy clients. I want to work with them. That social proof is essential. The next thing is internet, Google ads, pay-per-click. 9.1%, this is good data to know, but the one thing that you should know is ads work. I know a lot of times people are like, oh, they don't work. Most of the time, if the ads aren't working, then you're not doing it right. You're not working with the right people. I do know people that can help you with this. This isn't something that I offer as a service, but I know people that do. And the beautiful thing about ads is that they're very trackable. So you can understand, hey, if I invest this amount of money, and then this amount of leads, and then this amount of leads becomes clients, then you know, all right, this is my direct ROI. And that's what's amazing about ads, is that it can literally be a lead generating machine in just putting in money and producing leads. Now, the other aspect of this is, though, you're competing with other people that are also spending advertising dollars. So keep that in mind the more you pay, generally, the better you're going to do, which I know everyone's on a budget, which is why I focus a lot on more organic traffic and how we're leveraging our own network. But if you want to go down this path and you want to start to learn more about really driving this, I have some resources. Reach out to me. I'll be happy to share. But just in general, ads do work. if you track them, improve them, work on them, they will get results for you. But you gotta be consistent with it. The last one that I wanted to go over here, 7.3 with caregiver, employee, and employees, right? Again, same aspect here. Are we making it easy for our current employees and our caregivers to refer us? How can we make it more simplified? Are they following you on social media? Are they sharing your content? Are they doing these different aspects, right? So just some things to think about in, hey, how can we encourage more participation from our employees, from what they're doing and how we can get them more involved. And I'll actually share this in a later episode in, hey, what you're sharing on social media so that you can get your employees more involved. So stay tuned. That's going to be a later episode. But understanding these same pieces, right? Supporting them, reminding them, staying top of mind. Hey, we're here to help if you refer us. And then also, what are the incentives, right? How are you incentivizing your caregivers and employees when they do refer clients, right? Because at the end of the day, everyone wants to get paid a little bit more. And so having that little incentive can go a long way. If you like this video and you want to learn more about how you can attract clients, referral sources, and caregivers, you got to attend my upcoming workshop. All you got to do is go to thedigitalchamps.com/workshop to learn more.